we go. It doesn't get any more old school than this. Fairground track at an actual county fairgrounds in Indiana with modern versions of open wheel roadsters. The way it was is the way it is, and the way they were meant to race. 100 laps. The Sumar Classic. They're lining up right now. Hopefully my camera doesn't crap out on me. And actually this track has a bit more banking than I would have thought. It's at least as much as maybe Kokomo. I mean, it's not completely flat. It actually does have some banking in the turns. As you might see, I mean, my camera's gotten too much dust in it, so it's, you know, ready to crap out, but, you know, they're going to tamp the track down a little, and then they're going to run 100 laps. There's Cody Swanson. Hopefully we're not too close. Don't want to get hollered at, but you know how it is.
Are you retired now?
You never know who you're going to run into. Anyway, there's Brady Bacon. Sorry about all the glare, but it is what it is. I'll film the best I can. But 100 laps, 50 miles, endurance racing on dirt in Indiana. Happy birthday, Mom. Even though she's no longer with me in spirit, because we Catholics believe they're not truly gone. And it's been an educational and very fun night so far. Well, I'm going to save some film because it's going to be 100 laps and probably about 30 to 45 minute race.